Welcome to Naomi Dreamhouse. Today we're making slime. So I'm putting my glitter in here. This is Sky, and this is a bowl, and this is Sky who put all my glitter in here. And this is the activator and the glue. I'm gonna use rainbow. I'm closing my eyes and pick a color. I wish I had dark color. Rainbow, that. I love this one.
Okay. Pink?
Pink.
Okay, you got pink glitter today.
First we putting the glue. Now I have to put the activator.
Keep pouring, go ahead. Keep going. Squeeze it.
I put a little bit too much. I have to put more glue. It looks like a poop sticking out.
Look like a little ice ball or a little icicle. What it feel like?
Oh, it's more sticky.
Okay, wait.
It's stretchy.
What it feel like, Nye?
Like potato head.
Potato head, Naomi?
Yeah, potato head. Like you put some hands on it and then put some eyes on it and then put some lips on it.
Oh, okay.
Potato head.
Oh, that's what it feel like?
Yeah.
Okay.
What can we put in here so it won't be?
Oh, it's stickier.
I think since it's so sticky, it's more activator that needs to go in there.
So we forgot to add water, so we're adding water right now.
A little bit, Naomi.
Okay.
So you gotta mix it.
We're gonna mix it. Where is it? Oh, that thing there.
So you can
Oh,
use your hands.
yeah, you can use your hands. It'll be better.
Now I feel like picky pie, sticky picky pie.
Is it still sticky like that?
Yeah.
It's getting better though.
Yeah, it's getting better. Oh, it's not sticky anymore on me.
Let me see. Let me help.
Mom, I don't need that help.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
I'm just trying to help you so it won't be sticky. It'll be perfect slime.
And then I'm doing your mom's nails. Honey, let me feel it. Oh, what's this? Oh, I think I broke the part.
Let's not do that. Okay. Here, put this on the floor. Now, you can put your slime. No,
There.
it's not sticky, guys.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, that's great.
Want to touch it, Dad?
Yeah, let me touch it.
Here you go, Dad.
Oh yeah, this is real legitimately good, perfect slime. Like it's not even sticky anymore. Now that we inserted some water,
Okay, nice.
now it's perfect. Now, do you want to add your sprinkles?
Yeah.
Your sparkles?
Yeah, my sparkler.
And what color is that?
Pink.
Pink. Yes, we're gonna insert the pink sparkles.
Okay, let's turn it. Wait,
Ah! Oh my God, I think it's
go like this.
I think I'm
Okay,
gonna
let's get some more.
let's get some more in there.
Okay, now we gotta
Put some more water.
no water needed.
Now, oh, I know. Activator.
No, you don't need anything else.
Oh my God, Naya's done. Look at it. That is beautiful.
Mom,
That
this
is
is my
perfect.
slime.
I know.
Ah! No, it's not ready. It's not ready. Get a cluster flick. More glitter.
You think so? You need more glitter? You want to put more?
Yeah, I put a rainbow one.
Okay.
Oh my God, Mommy.
This one.
Oh.
Your slime workshop?
Yeah, I saw that. But I mean, comment down below, mine is better. I think we need some. I think we need enough. So, do something with this. Spray it, spray it, spray it, spray it, spray it, spray it, and spray it, spray it, spray it, and spray it. I want to make a rainbow one, guys. So, look at that. And I will bring glitter. Mommy, I'm making one more. I'm going to pick one or color. First, I get the stars one. Look at enough stars. And happy face, happy face, happy face. I love stars.
What glitter you want to go with the stars?
You see the green and
Green.
stars.
Yeah, green.
Do those.
Okay.
I'm making 2 slimes for me. Spill, spill, spill the beer. Cause I love activating the pasta.
Okay, now mix it around.
Mix it around with your hand. Oh, the spoon first.
Oh, you forgot your water.
Oh yeah, we keep forgetting the water.
Maybe we should add the water last if we do
Right.
the other one.
I want this one, right? I have to mix it. I'm gonna be right back. Now it's time to do the glitter and the stars. Okay, that's it, that's it. Now the glitter. Which one is better? I'm gonna pick this one because this one is super fun. Now it's time for the big slime surprise. This one.
I wonder what's inside of there.
Maybe it's a baby LOL.
Really? Let's see.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my goodness.
I know it was a big.
So, show them what it is.
Look at this cute baby balloon.
Oh my God, what is that again?
LOL sister. LOL baby.
Okay, show us what else in there. There's one more. There's something else in there.
I know. Oh, that's a shirt. That's a shirt of the big sister.
Oh, let me see.
Oh, we go.
Oh my God, what's that in there?
A bottle for the big sister.
Oh my God.
No.
Now you gotta check the next one. Let us see.
Oh, the big sister. The big sister. The big sister.
The big sister surprise?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Which one is that?
The big sister.
That's the big sister surprise?
Yeah. Look.
Oh, get her out.
Hey.
Some help?
You like your surprises that came in there?
Yeah.
Yeah. What is those? LOL surprises?
Yeah, those are for you.
Oh wow. How many did you get?
I don't go in there.
How many did you get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Four LOL surprises?
Yeah.
Wow. Now what you gonna do?
Now I'm gonna play with them. Like put some more LOL stuff in there.
Put some more stuff in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
We got 4 LOL surprises and 2 beautiful slimes. Hope you guys enjoy. See you in the next video. Click that song and comment on picture and get a huge